Here we go. This is the high center gravity chassis right here. I don't know if I show you guys, but I got a new body for this one. This one originally had the slash 4x4 Fox body on it. This is a, I don't know what this one's called, but I want to say it's called Keegan Kincaid, but I don't see any stickers on it that say that. So maybe I had to add the stickers, I don't know. But nice blue and black body. This one, of course, is running stock tires. Alright guys, I got the body on it now, and I thought since I have a little bit of battery left, I'm gonna put this little ramp right here. So I'm just out in the middle of a parking lot, just a bare parking lot, but I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit of air with this thing. Alright, here we go. Coming this way, gonna try to hit the ramp. Ooh, that did not sound good, nor was that good for the new body. Yikes. Oh. All right, here we go for another jump. Drifting a little bit. Ooh. The thing doesn't want to fly very well, but part of that might be me, but as soon as I get in the air, I just let off of the gas. Get my heat gun out and check the temperatures real quick. I just got this cheap little heat gun, E-Tech City. Probably was only like $15 or $20 on Amazon. But that red blink should mean low voltage mode, but let's see how hot this motor and ESC got. Okay, 120, 124 it looks like. ESC. Looks like between 110, 115. So that's still definitely within the acceptable range.